Evening guys, welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be tying a little simple fly, an olive buzzer. You've seen loads of olive buzzers before, so I've got loads of different ones, but I've been catching a lot of fish this week. I've been out fishing 3 or 4 times this week and I've been catching quite a few fish in this one, so I thought I'd maybe share it on YouTube with you guys. So in the vise I've got the Fario barbless wet fly hook, size 12. That's the bronze one, and the thread I'll be using, I'm using 2 threads, but the first one I'll be using is the brown olive UTC in number 70. So we'll run this thread down the hook, just cast on at the eye as usual, and cut off the waste. So we'll take the rib in just now, and for the rib we're using silver wire. Just a fine silver wire, nothing special. So just tie that in its side, hold it out and have your touch and turns with your olive thread, bring it down. And you want to go around the bend with this, just slightly. Just take it round the bend, just a wee bit. And at this point here, just jump up and touch and turns all the way back up again. Just take it up to the head, then back down, back down to that point, then jump again and back up. And this time just whip this off. So whip finish. Just cut this off, and now what we want to do is jump on with black UTC number 70 again. So same again, just start, oops, catching the eye, just take this down to about 1/3 of the hook, just and bring the rib up now, 1 turn at the back, nice even turns, and bring that one up, fold it across, and just tie this in, just down the side, and helicopter it off. That's us. So just build up ahead now. So a few turns, and just sticking in 2 cheeks. What we're using is Sunburst goose biots. So what I do is just cut the tip off, then tie them in one at a time. Just tie that in. Same again. Cut the tip off. Tie it in. Other side. Just make sure they're square. That's fine. And bring the cheeks forward, tie them in, hold tight and rip off. So we just build up a little head. There the dog in, and just whip finish. Cut off the thread, and now we're going to give a coat of resin. Just a fine coat. just get your dubbing needle, just spread out the resin about the fly, just watching the eye, just get right in about that rib. I don't need a lot, just a coat. I had quite a few fish in this today. This was my standout fly out of the 3 buzzers at dawn. And hit that with a torch. Doesn't take much, it's only a thin coat. And to finish the fly off, I'm just going to get 1 coat of hard as nails. Just a fine coat. Just brush it all off into the jar, and then just a little coat. Make sure you cover all the thread. So that's that, guys. So there you go, that's a simple little olive buzzer. It's doing really well for me now. So hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys.